We will learn in this video how to clean the espresso machine. We will use the blind porta filter. Next, the coffee machine cleaning powder. One scoop of cleaning powder. Next, we need to hold press the cleaning button. Here you need to select which group to clean. Use the up and down navigation button. We have group 1 and group 2. We will select group 2. Press OK to select. Then place the blind porta filter in group 2. Press the cleaning button. From here, we just need to wait until the screen changes. Now remove the filter holder. Next, press again the cleaning button. We need to wait until the screen reaches 100%. Next, press the Espresso Extract button. For the final step before we can serve a coffee to the guest, remove the blind porta filter and return the regular filter. Get coffee powder. Extract espresso. First, extract espresso after cleaning. Throw it to ensure. Following extract of espresso is safe to